Welcome to the Fulcrum Interactive Calculator for lever force and mechanical advantage. Let's explore the input fields. We have of phi set to 100, of d at 500, and of dl at 250. Next, airfill is 200, air day is 500, and air del is 250. For FPFE, we'll use 100, FPFL is 200, and FPL is set to 750. Finally, MAD is 500 and MADL is 250. Now I'll click Calculate to process these values. The calculator analyzes your lever system using these inputs to determine the mechanical forces at play. When you enter an effort force of 100 with a distance to effort of 500 and distance to load of 250, the calculator computes how much force is required to lift your load. With the fulcrum position at 750 and load force at 200, it calculates the mechanical advantage of your lever setup. The results show you the exact forces needed and the efficiency of your lever configuration, helping you optimize your mechanical system design. This tool streamlines your lever calculations for any engineering application. Find the link in the description below.